Hello students, in previous video we have learned how to multiply the fractional numbers. Now today we will do some question based on it. So we will start worksheet number 6. In this worksheet we have to multiply fractional number with a whole number. So our question is multiply. First question is 1 upon 3 multiplied by 2. So I have already told you that the whole number, अगर हम इसको कभी फ्रैक्शन बनाना चाहें तो हम इसके नीचे 1 लगा दे तो इसमें कोई भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So it is up to you whether you want to write 1 as a denominator or you can multiply it directly. So what you can do is, अगर आपको इसको अब इजी बनाना है अपने लिए, so you can write like this also. Now it becomes easy for you to multiply. अगर आप इसको डायरेक्ट भी करना चाहें तो आप डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं. Take 2 as a numerator. So I have already told you what you have to do. You have to multiply numerator with numerator. So 1 and 2 is the numerator and here 3 and 1 is the denominator. So multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 2 ones are 2 and 3 ones are 3. So this is the answer. And always check whether the answer is in the lowest term or not. If it is not, then convert it into the lowest term. Now the B part, 5 upon 8 multiplied by 9. So again, you can multiply directly, take 9 as a numerator, or you can convert this like this, 9 upon 1. So it is up to you. It is to make it easier for you. Otherwise, you can directly add 9 to the numerator because 9 is a numerator. So 5 multiplied by 9 upon 8. So check whether any number numerator is and denominator comes in the table of any same number. So what you can do? So 5 and 8, no, it does not comes in the table of any number, and 8 and 9 also. So multiply numerator with numerator. 9 5s are 45 and 8. Now here you can see this is an improper fraction. So what we have to do? We have to convert this into a mixed number. So how we can convert? We have to divide it. So 45 divided by 8. So 8 5s are 40. So 5. So QRD form 5 and 5 by 8. So this is our answer. Next question, C part. Question is 4 and 1 upon 2 multiplied by 4. Now first of all, we have to convert this mixed number into improper fraction and then we will solve it. So how can we convert? Multiply it. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9 upon 2 multiplied by 4. So multiply it numerator with numerator. So 9 multiplied by 4 upon 2. Now check कि कोई इसमें से ऐसा है न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में ऐसा कोई है कि किसी सेम नंबर के टेबल में आते हैं कोई. सो यू कैन सी हियर 2 and 4. 2 and 4 comes in the table of 2. So we'll recite the table of 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. So in this way you can cut. कोई भी दो न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर अगर सेम नंबर के टेबल में आते हैं तो वी कैन कट इट. सो 9 2s are 18 upon 1. So it is up to you whether you want to write it upon 1 or not. Meaning of both are same. 18 upon 1 लिखिए या 18 लिखेंगे, both are same. As 4 upon 1 लिखते हैं हम या 4 लिखते हैं, दोनों सेम होता है. Same here. Now D part, 9 and 1 upon 3 multiplied by 27. Now again, first of all, we have to convert this mixed number into improper fraction. So to convert it, 9 3 is 27 plus 1, 28 upon 3 multiplied by 27. Now multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 28 multiplied by 27 upon 3. Now again check, अगर कोई न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर सेम नंबर के टेबल में आते हैं तो यू कैन कट इट. अदरवाइज अगर अभी आप कट नहीं करेंगे तो आपको आंसर में उसको लोवेस्ट टर्म कन्वर्ट करने में प्रॉब्लम होगी, एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू इन प्रीवियस वीडियो. सो यू कैन सी हियर 3 and 27, both of them comes in the table of 3. So here 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. So now multiply it, 29 multiplied by 8. 9 8 is 72, 7 9 2 is 18, so 252. So upon 1, again it is up to you. You want, if you will write upon 1, then also the meaning is same, because 1 नीचे है तो ये नीचे 1 लगाएंगे तब भी आपको 252 और ये दोनों का सेम ही मीनिंग है. नाउ ई पार्ट, 10 and 1 upon 10 multiplied by 15. Convert this into improper fraction. 10 tens are 100 plus 101 upon 10 multiplied by 15. So again multiply numerator with numerator. 101 multiplied by 15 upon 10. Now again check it, अगर ये सेम किसी नंबर के टेबल में आते हैं 101 upon 10, 101 और 10 या 110 और 15, check it. So both of them comes in the table of 5. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. So any other 2 101 नहीं आते हैं, 2 and 3 भी नहीं आते सेम नंबर के टेबल में. So multiply it. So it is 303 upon 2. Now this is in improper fraction. Convert this into a mixed number. So how can we convert? Like this, divide it. So 2 1s are 2, 10, 2 5s are 10, then 3, then 2 1s are 2. So again QRD form, that is Q 151 into 1 upon 2. So this is our answer. Now the next one, F part. This is the rough work. 6 multiplied by 4 upon 15. Now here what we have to do, क्वेश्चन इज सेम, जस्ट जो आपका होल नंबर है वो यहाँ पर बाद में था, यहाँ पर आपका पहले आ गया. सो हियर मल्टीप्लाई न्यूमरेटर विद न्यूमरेटर. सो 6 इज अ न्यूमरेटर, सो 6 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4 अपॉन 15. नाउ check whether any numerator and this denominator comes in the same table of same number or not. So you can see here 6 and 15 and 4 and 15. So 6 and 15 both of them comes in the table of 3. So 3 से हम कट कर लेते हैं. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. Now any other number जो सेम नंबर के टेबल में आते हैं? नो. जस्ट सॉल्व इट. 2 4s are 8 and 5 जो हमारे पास बचा हुआ होता है उसी को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. नाउ अगेन this is an improper fraction, so convert this into a mixed number. 5 1s are 5, so 1 and 3 upon 5. So this is our answer. Let us do another part, G part. Question is 100 multiplied by 3 and 1 upon 10. So same way, first of all convert this into a mixed number. So 10 3s are 30 plus 1 31 upon 10. Now multiply it. 100 multiplied by 31 upon 10. So you can see here, cut it. अगर कोई न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर सेम नंबर के टेबल में आते हैं then we have to cut. So you can see here 10 and 100, both of them comes in the table of 10. So 10 ones are 10 and 10 tens are 100. Now solve it. So it is 310. Upon 1 if you want to write, then also your answer is same. So 310 upon 1 or 310, both are same. So in this way you can solve the or multiply fractional number with whole number. So here we have done 7 parts. Now here 5 parts are also remaining in this worksheet. So try to solve these 5 parts. Thank you.